Being a Mississippi State soccer player has meant the whole world to me. I feel like I've gained a whole family being on this team as long as I have and really created lifelong friendships.
A lot of people won't ever hear a cowbell rung for them. They won't ever actually get to go out on the field and fight for maroon and white. Just having the opportunity to do that means so much to me. It's something that I'll never forget.
Being a Mississippi State soccer player has meant so much to me. It's definitely changed my life, and I'm really proud of this experience.
Playing soccer at Mississippi State has meant a lot of things. It's meant a lot of different friendships that I've formed, a lot of different memories, and just a lot of different fun times.
I think I have two favorite moments, and both of them were beating Ole Miss at our home field for our last home games for our seniors.
My favorite moment playing soccer at Mississippi State was probably when we beat Ole Miss my freshman and junior year, and then scoring the goal to win the game.
Earlier this season, we got a charter bus that had a microphone attached up front, and everyone took turns singing karaoke. But the catch was that they had headphones in, and so there was no music being played. It was just them singing all on their own. And Tiff got up and sang this one song. I don't even remember what it was. I know it was country. I think it was Taylor Swift. She got so into it that her voice started cracking. That was probably the single best thing that's happened off the field all year.
The best thing about playing soccer at Mississippi State is definitely our team. Every single one of the girls here is just amazing. So,
I think the message I would leave for my teammates that are coming back would be to just rely on each other to get through the tough times. It's always difficult to rebuild a program, and you're going to face a lot of trials and a lot of adversity. And at the end of the day, the person that's standing beside you on the field or in front of you on the field or behind you on the field or the person that's cheering you on the bench, that's who you're fighting for. It's your fellow Bulldogs, and it's no one else.
Work your hardest, never give up. You're going to run into some tough times, but just keep pushing through and you'll be fine.
my teammates, it's been a really good experience. Thank you for making it what it's been, and I'm going to miss all of you guys, and just know that the 4 years goes by a lot faster than you think.
I love all of them, and they've really made this whole experience so worthwhile for me, and really to give everything in every game because it goes by so quick.